Look what I got. All right, finally, you guys, this is what my husband got me in San Francisco at the last minute. So it was totally his idea, and I don't have to hide it, and I don't have to whisper. But I've been promising that I would do a unboxing, but it's actually a reveal, you guys, because this box is empty. If you want to know what came in this box and what is in this box, stick around. All right, before we get started, I just wanted to tell you guys that I have on absolutely no makeup whatsoever. I have a little bit of mascara on and some clear gloss, and I don't know if it's coming through on the camera, but my face and my chest is really red because yesterday I had a procedure done, and it's microneedling with PRP, and it was my second procedure. It's a skin tightening procedure, and the first procedure that I had done, you know, I've heard good things about it, but I was not expecting the results that I got. So I'm super excited to see what my results are going to be like after this one. And then I'm going to do one more treatment about 3 months from now, and then not another one until next year. And then you just do maintenance. So I can definitely tell that my jawline is tighter. But the biggest thing that I have noticed with PRP is before I ever had a procedure done, I would look in the mirror, and every time I would look in the mirror, the only thing I ever noticed about myself, I had really puffy eyes. Not all the time. Some days it was really bad, some days not so much. But I had dark circles and puffy eyes. And when I would look in the mirror, that's all I would see. And you know what? It improved my eyes so much that I honestly forgot about that problem and that issue until my second procedure. I was talking to my doctor about it. I told him, I said, you know what? It helped my eyes so much that I almost forgot that I had that problem. So I'm so excited, you guys. My face is really red. And if you don't know what microneedling with PRP is, you definitely need to read about it, because it's a non-surgical face tightening. It also helps with your neck and the lines on your neck. So I'm really excited about it because I really have had some wonderful results after only one treatment. So this is my second treatment. My face is red. I do have antibiotic ointment on my face. So yeah, but you guys have seen me without makeup. You know what? We're all friends. I don't have to duty up for every video. But I was just gonna let you guys know, and later on I'm going to talk more about this procedure. I didn't do any filming like I wanted to, but a lot has been going on. So, but I do want to talk more about it, about my results, because I highly recommend microneedling with PRP. One more thing about PRP. It is a cumulative effect. So when you have it done, it helps to regenerate your collagen. So it does a little damage to the surface epidermis, and then when you put the platelets, they take some of your own blood, spin it, get the platelets, and they put it back on your face and on your neck. So, oh my gosh, you guys, it is the most wonderful feeling when you have it put on there. It's so soothing, but it's definitely a cumulative effect. It gets better and better as time goes on. And you know what? I believe it because I've had it done. I'm a believer. So I just want to, I'm so excited. So I should just do a video just on that, and I will. But I just wanted to tell you guys what it is that I've had done. And I don't know if it's really picking up. My face is super red, but it's a lot better than it was yesterday. All right, we're going to do this reveal, and then I have a few things to talk to you guys about because I just don't want to leave you hanging because it's been a couple of weeks and I've been promising. Now, those of you that follow me on Instagram, you know good and well what was in this box, you guys. And I tied it back up. I could probably get a job at Louis Vuitton. Look at that. Look at that perfect bow. But it's not in here. Those of you that watch me regularly know exactly what it is. Oh yes, it's my Never Full MM in the Damier Ebene. You guys remember the on-the-go tote fiasco, which was about this size. But it just wasn't doing it for me. Not just because it had like big dents in it, I don't know. It was just not a really good experience. But this is the one that I've wanted all along. So I do have a red Samorga organizer inside of it. I had this bag a couple of years ago when we went to Spain. I bought it with the pink, and it's pretty, but it's not me. And I sold it while it was brand new so I got all my money back actually, because I got a good deal over there. I've been meaning to repurchase this bag for the past 2 years. I just haven't done it because I actually tried to talk myself out of it, because I'm like, everybody has this bag. But you know what? There's a reason why everybody has a Neverfull. If you don't have a Neverfull, I don't know. I just feel like your collection is not complete. Now, I have this one, and I have the Neverfull MM with the Epi leather, and I do plan very soon, I've got it on my calendar, to do a comparison between the two. But you guys, I'm loving this bag. I'm loving this red, and I'm wanting to get some kind of a charm with a pop of red on it. I thought about a twilly, but I don't think I want to do that. I think I just want a little charm. So if you guys have any suggestions, put them in the comments below. I love this bag so much. I told Keith, okay, I guess I'm gonna have to get just a monogram Neverfull in the MM size, you guys. I did have the GM Neverfull, and I sold it, and that is my one and only seller's remorse. I'm so sad. Oh, I don't even want to go there. I'm so sad. I mean, I think about it all the time. I just let it go. I want it back. And the bad thing is, when I sold it, I kind of knew that. Oh, let's not go there. Anyway, let's just talk about happy things. I love this bag. It's made me so, so happy. Oh my gosh, it goes with everything. I'm a tote girl through and through, always have been. You have to have that organizer on the inside. It's a game changer. Wonderful bag. Highly recommend. And I told Keith I'm going for the monogram next. Of course, I'm on Van Island right now, you guys. I keep saying that, and then I slipped. If you saw my last Gucci unboxing video, I slipped. But I'm on Van Island. I've put myself here because, you know, I just feel like now I really need to be on Van Island. You know, there's so much going on in the world right now, people doing without, and I just don't feel good about purchasing anything. I don't need anything right now. I can't say I don't want anything because it wouldn't matter. I'm just going to be honest with you guys. If I got something every week, the next week I would think of something else that I want. I mean, I'm like that. I admit that I am a luxury addict. So, you know, there you go. But I am on Van Island for a while, but I just want to tell you guys, this bag has made me almost happier than any bag I have gotten in the last couple years. I guess just because I've wanted it back for the last 2 years. And, you know, for Louis Vuitton, as far as that goes, it's one of the more inexpensive bags. And you guys, I pulled out my receipt for my Neverfull GM that I bought years ago, and I'm going to show you how much Louis Vuitton has increased prices. You guys aren't going to believe this. This is the receipt from my first Neverfull that I bought in Chicago years ago. And I'm going to show you the comparison. I could not believe it. Oh, I've got it turned around backwards. The old brown Louis Vuitton envelope with the receipt in it. I don't know why I didn't send it when I sold my Neverfull that I want back so bad. So here's the receipt. This, well, it was purchased October 16th of 2009 for $826.88. $826.88. October 2009, almost 11 years ago. You guys. So, compare it with the new receipt for this bag that we just purchased, which is a MM size, which is cheaper than the GM. This bag was purchased on March the 5th, 2020 for $1,487.27. $1,487.27. Did I say that right? You guys, is that not just terrible? Yet we keep buying them. And I know that the quality was much better back in 2009. So I just wanted to show you guys. I saw it and I thought I've got to share, but just terrible. Okay, let's move along. The next, this is really a reveal. I have opened it and looked at it, but I haven't used it yet. So I have another item. So if you guys want to take a little guess, go ahead and guess what's in this box. Okay, let's get going, you guys. I'm doing exactly what I hate. All right, let's just untie the bow, pull open the little drawer box. There it is. Pull the dust bag out. A little dust bag. I'm so excited. I got my Louis Vuitton belt. You guys, I've wanted this for a long time. Last year, when we went to Phipps Plaza for my birthday, I said I was gonna get a belt. And for some reason we left and we forgot to go back by and I didn't get it. So this one is the monogram, just with the LV. And I love this one. I believe that it's reversible, yeah. And the other side is black epi. So I'm super excited about this belt, you guys. This is only my third luxury belt, and I knew that I wanted a Louis Vuitton belt. This will go with absolutely everything, and I wanted brown because I have a black Gucci belt, and I also have kind of that dusty rose color. So now I have a brown, or if I want to wear it this way, I can wear it black. So I was seriously thinking to go to Hermes and get an Hermes belt, and that's next on my luxury belt list when I get off Van Island. No time soon. But I'm super happy, super excited to wear this. I just love the buckle on it. It was our last day, and Keith said, well, hurry, let's get ready and go to Louis Vuitton. And I'm like, who are you and what have you done with Keith? And he's like, I'm like, go to Louis Vuitton for what? And he said, let's go get that bag you've been griping about. I said, I haven't been griping. Keith said, oh yeah, you have. Squeaky wheel always gets the grease. Let's just go get it and let's get that belt. Because, you know, I'm always talking to him and he's always like, do you not have any girlfriends you can call and talk about all this stuff? I'm like, you're my friend. Anyway, he's just so sweet. He's not like that every day. I mean, he's sweet every day, but when we're on trips, he just tends to be so generous and sweet. And so I was thrilled, and I told him, I said, Keith, seriously, you don't have to do that. You can get it for me for my birthday. And he's like, no, we're just gonna go ahead and get it. We're here, let's just get it. Because like the closest Louis Vuitton where I live is like an hour and a half away. That's in Birmingham. And then the one that I normally go to is in Atlanta, which is about 2 hours away, actually a little more than 2 hours away. So he said, no, let's just go ahead and get it. So we did. I'm so happy with my belt, and I'm ecstatic with my bag. Oh my goodness. I mean, I'm so giddy. I'm like a little schoolgirl. One of the first times we ever went shopping together, he bought me a Fossil bag. Oh, memories. So really, he never should have bought me my first bag. So he's really reaping what he has sown. You know what I'm saying? So I would have to say the moral of this story or video is, ladies, keep squeaking. Just keep squeaking. Lisa, of Lisa Loves Bags, girl, you know what I'm talking about. Keep squeaking. All right, that's all I've got. I will see you guys again next week. Bye-bye.